G-Money in front of me and New York in front of him. G-Money was rolling that box Chevy, man. 85 miles an hour on 65, man. I got some rolling footage, man. Man, that dude, he was rolling, bro. First time on the highway, he blew all the old gas out of that sucker. For real, man. Yeah, he was rolling. Yeah, this Catfish, man. We rolling in, man. You got Monty playing all that doggone copyright music. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but yeah. He up there playing all that doggone music, man. Yeah, I hear him. I'm finna cut this off. I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. Hey guys, we back. We in the line to get judged, man. This is the line to get judged right now. Look at all these cars, man. My boy right there, that boy nasty, boy. There it is. Everybody cutting the line though, man. We had to wait in line. Everybody in line trying to get judged. Yeah, we over here. We in the line to get judged right now. Yeah, we over here getting judged right now, man. They judging all the cars. Dude judging now. I'm next. Yeah, there go Angie and the kids right there. All right, I'll get back with y'all in a second.